Okay, I'm doing my voiceover here. My videoing skills or editing skills are not the best, so I had to go back and do a voiceover, plus I didn't say much on the video. Today I'm going to make the best hamburgers you've ever eaten. Notice the fire making technique. And my knife skills are a little lacking. Here's a reference to one of my favorite YouTube. This is sort of a joke, but it's not a real funny joke. So I'm going to put about 4 pounds of hamburger meat, but this is fresh hamburger meat from the meat market. The secret to the hamburgers is in the meat. If you get your meat ground fresh at the meat market, it is much better. Yeah, and the jalapenos that I cut up, I don't know what's wrong with them, but they taste like bell peppers, so it looks like it's going to be really, really hot. So I had to put some what kind of peppers are those? Serrano. I had to put some Serrano peppers in there just to get a little heat. It looks like it would be really hot, but they're not that hot. This spice is my own mixture, but you could replace it with something similar. It's just a allspice, like a Tony's or a Slap Your Mother. And then that's some cayenne pepper to taste. We like it spicy. There's the bacon I've fried beforehand. If you notice, when I mix the meat, I try not to mash it. I don't want to press it. I just try to turn it and get everything mixed evenly without pressing the meat together. It makes it much more tender and juicy. And then I'm putting the bacon in, trying to not put too much of the fat, but if you put a little bit of the grease in there, it just makes it taste better. And then slowly mix it together without mashing the meat. You don't want to press the meat. If you have it too compact, it can cause other problems. And if you notice, in the end, it's sort of like taking a bite of a bacon-wrapped chile with some hamburger meat in on every bite. It's delicious. I make those patties really fast.
the slow-mo and then be done.
When you're making the hamburger patties, the way I do it, you just want to get a good sear on the outside. You're not too concerned with the internal temperature. You just want to get a good sear on the outside. And then I'm throwing a little more seasoning on the top, just to make it taste better. Here comes my youngest daughter with her camera skills. See, if you notice the browning on the outside, that's what you want. Somebody's feet are over there. We don't have shoes.
We have boots.
If anybody can guess what state we live in, you can put it in the comment section. Somebody's showing the top of my head. I'm going to have to talk to that cameraman. After you get the outside seared, then I put it in a cast iron skillet, put the lid on it to get the internal temperature to where you want it. I try to go around 140. That usually seems to be about right. That makes it slightly red in the middle.
Don't think about his first glass of wine.
That's grape juice. They're getting perfectly browned. Slightly crisp on the outside. Perfect. Once I get them all put in there, I just let it go till they're about 140. If you notice any references, put them in the comment section, any references to other YouTubers. I hope you like the video. It's coming close to the end. I am working on my editing skills, so hopefully my videos get better. I'm planning on coming out with a lasagna that is the best lasagna you've ever eaten. So anyway, like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions.